Hey, what is up, guys? It's Mackenzie Wachter, and I'm officially in Zurich, Switzerland. Oh man, Easter's coming up. I'm so excited. I got Hugo with this clockwork board. I also have robot. I also have, I think it was Rabbot or. Yeah, I think it was Rabbit. Anyway, Easter is so gonna be pleasant this year. Even though I am not feeling good today because I am suffering from dehydration and stuff. But no worries. I'm gonna be perfectly fine. Hopefully I'll be better by tomorrow because it's gonna be Saturday, but I'm taking a day off of work today. So I'm just playing this game. Keep you informed. I really like Hugo with his Lederhosen. He's actually Swiss and not German. And as you can see, my keys have been decreased. I'm trying to get more keys than I have expected. I should have gone more in San Francisco. It didn't go out as planned. I hope I don't go broke. If I did, I would have no more keys to purchase. So what are you guys planning to do for Easter this year? Well, for me, I am going to 2 Easter dinners, one at my aunt's house and one at my grandma's next door. So I'm also hoping to get candy too. That's an Easter tradition. However, I don't go to church. But I'm so hyped about Easter. So what do you guys which edition would you love to see for the Subway Surfers 7-year anniversary? I'm hoping that we should go to Las Vegas. Why, you ask? Because we already got, let's see. We already got Arabia 3 times. We got Hawaii 3 times. Then we got Venice 3 times. So 3 times for Hawaii and 3 times for Arabia. Well, both in 2017. And 3 times for Venice this year. So hopefully Vegas will be next. That's what I'm talking about. Just gotta play these games. Why do I keep hurting myself? Okay. Just gotta focus. And I was gonna do that yesterday, but the iOS version hasn't released yet. But it's just been released today, so I'm finally gonna do this. And speaking of, I just made a little ditty about Subway Surfers. Check it. Yo, 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 yo. Subway Surfers is Switzerland. Would you see what's all so bland? I just had some Easter candy just to see what's you and me. Sorry I can't rap, but I gotta say, you just had to make my day. Just please, I just want to see what's going on. I just had to do what they're trolling on. Okay, that rap wasn't funny at all. I should have wrote the lyrics. So, do you think I would rap more than Jeff Flanders? Well, that's what I gotta say. Looking at you, Katie BBM. I don't know how long this video would take, but, you know, I just gotta do this, gotta do my best. No worries. Hopefully I don't run out of film. And this is not going to be the longest video ever, because the longest video I had watching, I believe, was during the Nintendo Direct. And what are you guys hyped about for the summer? Well, for me, I'm hoping E3, because they're going to have the World Championships for Splatoon and Smash Brothers. And I'm hoping that I should go to the parade at the Circle, because I did not participate after 3 years. Oh man, I did not visit in 2017 and 2018 because 2017 I had to do a park cleanup. 2018 we just couldn't go. So hopefully this year, even though my mom would get a surgery, but this April, I'm excited about TechoCon! Yes! Sorry, I couldn't go to Steel City Comic Con this year, but hopefully I'll be going to TechoCon because that's an anime expo, and I love anime expos better than Comic Cons. So I'm hoping to see you there, even though I'm from Ohio. And it's in Pittsburgh, so... Oh man, when can I end this video? Hopefully I'll do a rabbit by the time it's almost Easter. I'm just hoping this Thursday before Good Friday. Oh. Man, why do I keep getting so much keys and all that stuff? Well, lucky for little boy Hugo, he just cost 95,000 coins, and that is good. I just purchased him today. So, by the way, do you think Cyber will make more Subway Surfers episodes? I'm hoping that they will, because I want to see more characters. I want to see Tasha, I want to see Ninja, Tagbot, Brody, Prince K. Man. I did see Frank, Utani, Jake, Tricky, Fresh, and King. Maybe either Lucy, Tasha, or Spike will be the next one after. Whoa, sorry. Got a little technical difficulties out here. Oh, well, that's okay, because I'm feeling like we should end this video right here. Sorry for the overall blooper and everything. So I hope you have a fantastic day, and tune in tomorrow because I'm going to host a 100 Twitter follower special on my channel. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you there. Happy Easter!